What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Everything Alex, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. So something came in the mail today. I got me a new wig, period. All right, y'all. So as y'all can tell, this is going to be a hair tutorial, a wig tutorial / wig review, wig install, all that good stuff from Yolova hair company. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's not even play no games with y'all. So in the box came a pair of tweezers, which I love, and a pair of lashes, which they could have kept, but you know, that's that on that. Tweezers are definitely a must-have. All right, and I got a thank you card from them, and then I also got a wig cap so that I can apply this wig, baby. Yes. The hair came in a little silk type of bag. I was just reading the box right there. And yeah, let's really get into this hair, baby. The star of the show, baby. The main character. Let's get into it. When I tell y'all I love this hair, I love this hair down. All right. So this hair, it is a Jerry Curly 13x4 lace wig, 180% density. It's in the shade like a piano blonde, and this is human hair, and it's 14 inches. Now, I love my hair to touch, my booty meat, but baby, this wig was really given. This wig was given, okay? The color, I'm here for it. The length was definitely growing on me. Like I said, I love long hair, but this length right here just very it just gave me a different type of edge, okay? It gave me a different type of vibe, all right? So now we're just going to, get into oiling my non-existent edges. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. All my non-existent edges, because we got to prepare for what's to come, okay? We're preparing for what's to come, baby. And then now I'm just using this shea butter, oil type of mix that I mix together in my kitchen. And I'm putting that on my ends just so, I can have some type of, I don't know what y'all call it. I forgot what it's called. But just so, my hair won't be dry, basically. All right, and I'm going to slick my non-existent edges back with some edge control. Get into it, Y'all, this video is a part of Vlogmas, so that's just that on that. That's definitely that on that. I'm slipping this video into Vlogmas because y'all need to see what y'all should be rocking for Christmas, baby. Y'all need to see what y'all should be rocking this upcoming season. Stop playing with me. Like I said, I'm just slicking back my edges because, baby, I don't need to rip out the little that I have. So I'm making sure to just, take all precautions. And right now, I'm just making sure I mark where I want that wig cap to go so that I know where I want the wig to be placed. Because once again, baby, I do not need to be messing up what I do not have. All right, they ain't got no edges, and they trying their hardest to grow back. So I just want to leave them alone. I want them to prosper in silence. You feel me? So I'm putting on that wig cap. For me, it doesn't really matter what color your wig cap is anymore. Because, baby, the foundation or whatever it is that you use to tint your wig cap is going to do what it needs to do. So it don't matter if you got a white one. Definitely wouldn't use a black one. But, it doesn't matter if it's white or whatever color brown that you decide to get. You still going to have to tint it. So it doesn't matter. Right now, I'm just securing that wig cap with some Got To Be spray. And then now I'm spraying my even lace tint on this wig cap. So this is what I'm talking about. Either way, it don't matter what color type of wig cap that you get, because you can still finesse her. You still gonna have to do the work to color her. And I'm just like spraying it down because it does, like, it's kind of like spray paint, like, you know, it needs a little bit of time to dry because I don't want it all over my hands. And I'm basically going to do the same thing to this lovely wig, okay? I'm going to spray that lace spray on it, that lace tint on the lace. And when I tell y'all, I've worn this wig for like a couple of weeks at this point, just because I wanted to make sure, like, I'm not finna get on here and lie to nobody. I don't care if they have free, if I'm getting 2 for 1. I really do not care. I'm not finna get on here and lie to y'all because at the end of the day, we all got bills and we all should be spending our money on stuff that is true to what it say it's about. You feel me? Like, and I love me some good hair. And I would be pressed if I was watching somebody and they was raving over some hair and it wasn't even giving what it was supposed to give. So I wanted to make sure that I actually took the time out to try this hair, to actually rock this hair. And as y'all can see in like my videos, like even from before this video, y'all see me actually install it. Y'all see me loving this hair. Like, y'all see it. Y'all see that this is not cap. Okay, this is not a performance, baby. This is not a drill. This is serious, okay? Really serious. Like, come on now. This is serious, baby. I really love this hair. And when I tell y'all I am going to purchase this hair myself, I'm going to purchase this hair myself. I'm going to wear this wig till this wig can't be worn no more. Baby, I'm going to wear this wig till the wheels fall off, okay? Okay, yeah. And so I'm just like making sure I line it up correctly on my head so that it's in the middle. Luckily, this wig is big enough. It's a 13 by 4, like I said. So there's extra lace at the ends of the cap so that, you know, by your ear tab, so you can cut that off. So it's not something that's gonna fit snug if you still have room to make it do what it do, baby. And now I'm just going in with my Ghost Bond and I'm just going to smear that all over my head. Yes, baby. So when it comes to doing this method, or even when I do like the got to be spray method, I normally do it for like three rounds, and then on that, like, so the first 2 times I let it dry completely. That 3rd time I just let it get tacky, and then I start, you know, securing the lace like that. I know people say, oh, you don't need to do it 3 times, but baby, I got to do 3 just to make sure, okay? When they give you wishes, they don't give you 1, they give you 3, all right? And right now, I just cut my lace into like 3 sections so I could kind of just work with it smaller. All right, baby. Yes, let's get to it. Y'all see how that color just look on me already. Y'all already see how the color look on me. And the fact that it came like this, like, and I love how it's kind of like highlighted. So you got some deeper browns in there, some deeper blondes in there. Like, I'm here for this. Like, if I was a wig, this would be me. This would be me as a wig. Like, this wig was very much me. Even though it's not like the length that I would normally like. But baby, imagine this. Imagine this in like a 28 inch. Come on now. Come on now. Stop playing. Stop playing. And I'm just going to wrap this down, you know, just so I could, like, you know, melt this into my scalp so it can give what it's supposed to give. Even though she already giving, baby. Right now, sis is doing overtime, okay? Sis is really doing overtime at this point. So if y'all have not already liked, commented, and subscribed, I really don't know what y'all are waiting for. Are y'all waiting for the final reveal of the wig? Like, what are y'all waiting for? Y'all see the vibes. Y'all see what's going on here. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all do keep supporting the culture all 2021. I love y'all. Period. All right. And like I said, y'all see how much like excess cap I have to cut off for my ear tabs. So that's a plus. And now I'm going in with like this eyebrow shaper razor type of thing. And I'm cutting off my lace. This thing was so dull. I definitely should have used my scissors. But this one was dull. I think she tired of me using her. But as y'all see, like, y'all, I know y'all see this. Y'all see the magic happening before your eyes, okay? Y'all see it. Y'all might as well just call me Houdini. Like, come on now. Stop playing with me. I'm really obsessed with this wig, y'all. And so, like I told y'all, I've been wearing this wig for like a couple of weeks. The shedding is very minimal. I don't know what type of hair you expect to get that doesn't cause shedding, because even your real hair sheds. But, you know, it's about how much the hair actually shed. So, yeah, the shedding is very minimal. The hair is super soft. Super soft. Hair is easy to work with. It doesn't really get tangled like that. And I've experienced, like, with a lot of hair, if you keep it in a ponytail, it'll get tangled. And that I don't understand. Like, you're in a ponytail. You shouldn't be tangled. But, yeah, sis was not getting tangled. When it came to doing my baby hairs, when I tell y'all those baby hairs kind of, like, flow easily. I know it's the trend now to curl your baby hairs to kind of train them to be in that curl shape. But with this hair, you don't even have to do that. Like, the baby hairs just do what you tell them to do. Simon says, and they do it. And y'all, like, look, I am feeling it. I'm feeling it right now. Baby, I don't even need to do my brows with this hair. That's how good this hair look on me. I don't even need to do no brows, baby. I don't even need nothing. I don't need no face. I don't need nothing. Right now, I'm just trying to decide which part I'm going to do. And definitely a side part is calling my name. Yeah, side part is calling my name. If it was longer, then definitely maybe a middle part. But since it's shorter, side part was definitely calling my name. Child, I love the growth, how I'm growing into, like, you know, doing middle parts. Like, back in the day, baby, you would not catch me with no middle part. Child, Moses would not be parting the Red Sea on my head. Child, no thank you. But, yeah, I just kind of did, like, a deep side part. I like, you know, little C-curve side part. Yes, get into it. Let's get into these baby hairs. I didn't really show y'all how I did it. I think I forgot to record. Like, my camera just stopped recording on me. But, yeah, those baby hairs was really just, like, in place. When I put them there, they stayed there. I really wasn't, like, normally I'd be having, like, a hard time with baby hairs. But these were, like, literally so soft, and they just kind of worked with me. Like, you know, they didn't work against me. They worked with me. And so if y'all are feeling this wig at this point and y'all want to check it out for yourself, but you're kind of scared, like you don't know, I got a discount code for you, okay? I have a discount code for you. Please use the code ALEX, ALEXX. You already know. Use the code ALEX and you will receive 20% off. Baby, I'm going to use the code myself. And that's just that on that. So if y'all see me with the same wig but longer length, y'all know the vibes, okay? Like, get into it. See, I'm giving y'all a quality wig, but at the same time, I'm giving it to you for cheap. I'm giving you a discount code. Come on, do not play yourself this holiday season. We know the girls love a good wig. We know it. We know the girls love a good wig, so why can't we just get into it? Like, come on, use the discount code. Use the code ALEXX, Alex, my name, and receive 20% off. Period, child. I'm about to go cop me a wig. And this is no joke at all because I love this wig. Only reason I took this wig off is because I like to change up my hair, but baby, I was giving this wig a run for her money. Y'all see me. Y'all see me. Y'all see the highlights. Y'all see the lowlights. Y'all see me. Even with the shortness, y'all see me. Like, get into it. Y'all see them baby hairs. Y'all see... Oh, my gosh. Child. Thank y'all so much for watching. Clearly, I really appreciate it. like I said, all the description for this wig and all the info for this wig will be linked down below. Make sure y'all go check it out. I love y'all. Happy Vlogmas. Stay safe, stay beautiful, stay blessed, baby. Y'all have a wonderful rest of y'all day. Yes.